My name is Meir Martin. I'm the owner of PetPeePee, and my specialty is one simple. I specialize to clean Oriental rug without using any chemicals. No scrubber, no dust buster, no centrifuge machine. I clean a beautiful Oriental rug that is saturated with a dog or cat's urine odor, and I provide you 1000%. No trace of any odor, any. No deodorized, no enzyme, and no pee-pee. Guarantee. So let me show you what I have today. So how we can clean your Oriental rug? Removes all the urine odor. Remove all the soap and the enzyme and the deodorize the cleaning product that you used before without color run, shrinking, fuzziness. Very simple. We build a machine that's vacuum the rug from under. The blended minerals from the Dead Sea flood the rug on the top, and the vacuum from under the rug pull everything through the rug. This is how everything got washed from the top to the bottom. And the tube show me what do you have in the rug. All the soap, you will see it on the top of the tube. All the pee-pee and the dirt in the bottom. And this process repeats itself many times. And in some cases, we have to add extra Dead Sea minerals. This cleaning product is odor-free, eatable, they taste bitter like the Dead Sea, and the liquid that we're putting on the rug is a very, very strong vinegar. The vinegar will evaporate shortly, in about 5 minutes, and the rug will stay absolutely free from all the chemicals that you use in the past. The urine odor will be removed completely, no question about it. See the review on Google. What we said, it's true. Thank you very much for watching PetPeePee. Enjoy the video. And by the way, when the tube is clear, I complete the cleaning process. Thank you.
From Carolyn Baker from Alabama. Using the PetPeePee service. Here is her Google verified review.
I have a beautiful Oriental rug that I inherited from my family. My incorrigible Jack Russell Terrier had been surreptitiously using it as her huge pee-pee pad for some time. I tried professional steam cleaning and cleaned it with my Bissell carpet cleaner dozens of times, with various cleaning solutions. Nothing worked. I was ready to roll it up and put it in the garage. when I decided to give it another chance with my local Oriental rug business. Well, that was $375. And when I picked it up from being cleaned, the stench in my car was acrid. By luck, I managed to find PetPeePee and dubiously read the countless positive reviews. I decided to give it one last chance. A FedEx receptacle was provided to me at my home, and I sent her off. The owner diligently kept in contact with me and even sent me photographs of my rug being cleaned. And when the rug was promptly returned to me, it had absolutely no odor. I'm still dumbfounded. The only caveat I can offer is that this is not an inexpensive endeavor. However, it was worth the expense to have my beautiful living room rug completely revived. I would give this company 13 stars if I could.